Okay, now we go to the people pages, right? And we will do the most key part of one of these applications, which is the swipe of picture, right? So inside the page we add a column, and inside the column we add a swipeable stack. Sorry, we select the column, inside the column swipeable stack. And now inside the swipeable stack we add a card, okay, which will be each one of the cards. And for now I'll make a very simple design of a column with an image and the text, okay? We make the query collection at the level of the swipeable stack. Backend query, add the backend query, query collection, users, list of documents. We will not filter anything, nothing of order by. We will exclude the current user. This basically excludes my own object because I don't want to swipe on myself. There's also the I love myself, but no need to see my own profile. And also we will enable the single time query because it's not necessary to be continuously listening at the changes in the users. At the end of the day, we just need a group of profiles and nothing else. We could even limit here, if we have like many profiles, we could start putting limits like 100 or something like that. And when you get to the end, the page reloads. But for now, let's leave it like this, because what I want, yeah, it tells me the usual stuff that the children will be populated with the data of this backend query. Yes, I know. And now the picture, I select the image, and the path will be the user's document, photo URL, and the text will be the user's document, display name. Okay, let's see this in action. I'll start a new session because this is quite a relevant feature. Okay, so I'm as Laura. I go to the people page, and I have Juan, Sarah, and Daniel. Great. It works, but let's do something, let's improve a little bit the design. So the image, perhaps we don't need the column. Perhaps I prefer instead of a column, because if I use a column and I put this, the image to take all the width, let's see how it looks like this. And the name below, and instead of a text, I add a row, and inside this row I add, for example, an icon. Inside this row I add an icon, I add a text, I add another icon, and I spread these elements. I'm now doing test and error. I'm trying to find what I like most. Here I put the name, and I want this row to be not that large. Yeah, I cannot fix, well, if I make the icons larger or the letter larger, let's see if I put some padding here. 20, yeah, well, yeah, that's okay. That's okay. And now this icon will be the icon of the heart. I'll make it much larger, 40, and this icon will be the icon of the heart. And this icon will be the icon of the, which icon should, of the bin. Yeah, the bin. Delete. Yeah, the bin size will be 40, yeah, a bit bigger, 45, and this one 45. And the display name, I'll make it larger. I'll make it larger like this. And this will be red color of passion. And you kind of understand, no? I mean, you can swipe, or we will manage the same behavior through the icons, whatever prefers the user. And this row, oh, I added the padding in the text. It's working. Perhaps it's not the most. Okay, let's see how it looks. Let's see. To be honest, designing and and styling is not my strength, my strong point. But as long as it looks more or less reasonably okay, we'll stick to that. Yes, but now I don't like the effect that I can see both. Okay, how can we control that? You see here in the swipeable stack, in these properties is where we can control these effects. So I think the top card height fraction is what I'm looking for. Yeah, I want to occupy the whole. You see, I'm going to occupy the whole height, not just a little bit. And the top card width fraction, I want it slightly. Yeah, I wanted something like this, and yeah, 0.99. This should be 97, 95. This should be okay. And the mobile card height fraction, bottom card height fraction. Look, I think this looks okay to me. Let's see the change in the look and feel. Fair enough. This is what I want. Yeah, this is what I want. That's it. If changing these properties, you can change the effects of rotations, the effect of how the second card appears. But I don't have time for that, okay? And anyway, you can play with this. If you start playing with these numbers, you'll see that the effects change. But for now, this looks good to me. Yeah, this looks good to me. So let's go for the next video.